I used to text her every single day. Good morning, good night, everything. I was always the one trying, calling first, caring more, staying longer. At first, it felt normal. I thought maybe she's just busy. Maybe I'm overthinking. But then I noticed something. She had time for everyone else. Posting, laughing, being active, just not replying to me. That's when it hit me. I was never a priority, just an option when she was bored. So one day, I stopped. No texts, no calls, nothing. And guess what? She never reached out. That silence told me everything I needed to know.